Right now, I still clearly remember the exciting moment when I first discovered MG53 as a memory repair molecule. We call this magic molecule because it can release from the muscle to the blood. It can find where our body got injured and go there to repair it. And our recent study also shows that MG53 can suppress the tumor growth via its nuclear action. My name is Chuanxi Cai. I'm an associate professor in Department of Surgery, the new division of surgical science. The research in my lab is mainly focused on the biology of MG53. As a regenerative medicine, MG53 plays an important role in tissue repair, anti-inflammation, as well as function as a tumor suppressor. Right now, we are testing MG53 as a myokine to protect our body from acute injury against the virus infection, as well as suppress the cancer cell growth. So with the support of, from UVA or any other funding agency, we expect to translate our new discovery into future regenerative medicine so that patients can recover faster after injury, or we can slow down the tumor growth for cancer patients.